Hello my friends, welcome. I'm very pleased to come back to these works after a couple of months of suspension for bad weather reasons. My wife had the good idea of making sure, first of all, to check out the roof, but for several reasons I have to give the priority to this workbench. Today we'll be finalizing the sanding for removing the paint, especially on the side. So we'll be starting by checking out for removing here this remaining paint. I couldn't remove with the orbital sander, so I will use one of my favorite tools, the multifunction tool, and here I'm using a sanding paper of 120. Finally, the painting is still very hard, so I'm taking an 80 sandpaper. So this is really a very hard paint. Luckily we had removed previously several layers with the thermic and the chemical removal. So now we take the 40. This here is the atomic bomb. So now happened what had to happen. This here is now dead. It's the same situation than in my video about how to rectify a wooden window. So always be sure you have these spare parts. Now this rough sanding is finished. I have to say it was really hard work, and this shows that the quality of the paint was excellent at least 30 years ago. So I have now to give a tribute to all the chemists and especially the ones working in the paint industry. This resistance after 30 years is really the sign of an excellent quality of the product. And I have to give an even bigger tribute to the chemists of today, because we have in Europe very strong environmental constraints which make that we have to substitute the dangerous products, which I suppose were the ones holding well, with non-toxic products in substitution. So all of this makes the work much more challenging today. So my sincere congratulations to the chemical industry and to the chemists working in this industry. And now for changing a little bit, let's put a little vacuum cleaner for sucking the dust.